Today we will be looking at a 5-minute scalping strategy. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for TradingView. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at a 5-minute scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 89 different strategies, with 27 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. We've also tested a total of 906 indicators, with 378 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 102 indicators. 36 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best two, a 76% win rate. Now, if you're interested in a full list of these strategies and indicators along with their win rates, we've compiled all that information into spreadsheets, which you will get when you become a patron of the channel. And keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are looking at a 5-minute scalping strategy. The source video, the title claimed that this was a 100% winning strategy, that you would win every single trade you take. And so of course we're going to put that to the test to see what we can actually achieve in the testing of this strategy. I guess it goes without saying, first and foremost, there is no strategy out there that is a 100% winner. You're going to take a loss at some point in time, and it is videos like the one I got this from that makes these ridiculous claims that set people up for failure, and is the reason why I do these particular videos, so that way we can expose those videos using their titles, so that way hopefully people will find our video next to the source video and see that the claim made in that original video is probably some BS. And so anyways, back to our strategy here. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Just because it doesn't win 100% of the time doesn't necessarily mean that it is a bad strategy. So the strategy itself consists of two different indicators. The first indicator we're going to use is going to be the Alma Smooth Gaussian indicator. And so let's pull that up here. And so it's going to be this one right here, the Alma Smooth Gaussian Moving Average. You'll put that on screen. That's the one up here on price action that gives these S and B tags there. You will want to go in and change the settings to this here. So smoothing 72, look back 15, link 14, volatility period 5, and standard deviation at a 5. The next indicator we're going to put on screen is going to be the RSI plus indicator. So do RSI plus there, and it's this one by D7R. You'll put that one on screen. It's the one down here at the bottom, and you will go in and change any of the settings. I believe the only one that we changed was this RSI setting right here to 16, but you can double check the rest of these settings here. I did go into the style on this one, went down pretty close to the bottom here to the RSI cloud, and I did bump up the opacity of this top light blue color and then the number 5 red color there. bump those opacities up to 60% just so that way you can see this cloud a little bit better, which will come into play here in just a moment. And so the strategy itself, what you're looking for is when the Gaussian moving average gives you an S tag like this right here, and then gives you this red background here, this red stripe there, and then you are looking for the RSI plus to also have a red cloud like that. That would be a short signal right there. What you would do is set a short position, and someone mentioned on one of my other videos that I did this on, it looked like I was setting these position tools in the middle of a candle. And so when I do the position tool, I've always set it to the side of the entry candle. So this is our entry candle right here, and I generally set it to the side like that, just so that way I can see what's going on right here a little bit better and it doesn't get too crowded. So I hope that didn't confuse too many people. Anyways, back to what we're looking at here. So we have our short trade right here. We're going to set our stop right above the last swing high. So we're pretty good right there on our stop. And then we are going to target a 1.5 take profit, so a 1 to 1.5 risk reward on this, and you can see that we get a nice push to the downside, which should get us to our take profit. And if we jump forward here just a little bit like this, we go ahead and look at a long entry. So we get a B tag here, and then we get this bar, this nice green bar with a green stripe in the background there, and our RSI cloud is also in the green color there, or teal if you want to be a little technical about it. And so we would then set the long position right here. We would target right below our last swing low for the stop, and then a 1.5 take profit, and sets us about right there. And you can see that we get a push to the upside there, which would have gotten us to our take profit as well. And so that was a strategy there that was outlined in the original video, again claiming that you will win every single trade, and it is a 100% winning strategy. And so what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and fast forward through the testing, and then we'll pick it up on the other side to take a look at what it was able to achieve. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a TradingView indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. Another thing that we're doing here recently that we've been working on for a while is an automated trading strategy. We have successfully automated a strategy in partnership with Mike from Upright Trading. It's a strategy that he has developed, and then I spent quite a few hours and days and weeks kind of dialing in the settings and setting up all the automation on it. It's currently running on a live test, forward test on a demo account. And here in the near future, we will be picking a couple handfuls of patrons from the Discord server to help with the live testing on a demo account, just to work out any bugs or kinks before we release it to everyone else. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy here. So we tested it over 50 trades like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 14 winning trades, 36 losing trades, to put it at a 28% win rate. And so pretty staggering bad if you ask me. I don't generally call any particular indicator or strategy bad, but when it's only at a 28%, that's pretty bad out of 50 trades. And considering how the claim, once again, was that it is a 100% winning strategy and that you'll win every single time, it seems pretty ridiculous that that claim was made and that it did as bad as it actually did. And so obviously this one is going to go on the no list. Can't say much about it other than that. You can definitely play around with it. I think maybe the Gaussian moving average here did seem like it was kind of giving some okay signals at times. But yeah, I mean, all in all, this strategy just isn't going to work. Definitely stay away from this one. Like I said, it's going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.